Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to talk to you guys today about something that might seem a little bit crazy, but really it's something that we all need to be thinking about, especially this time of year. I know that it's not even July yet, but it is time to talk about our Christmas budget for 2019. What? Let's get into it. Alright friends, so it is not even quite July yet, and we are talking about our Christmas budget. Now for some of you, this is a little bit late. For others of you, it is super early. For some of you, it might be right in the middle. And I find that for us, it's really about a good time to truly start looking at our Christmas budget and put really a good figure and assignment to the money that we're planning to spend for Christmas. Now, you've seen in our monthly budget videos that we budget for Christmas, so we put a certain amount of money aside each month into a sinking fund for Christmas. If you're not sure what a sinking fund is, I will have a video linked below and in the little iCard to explain what a sinking fund actually is and why you need them and what the recommended sinking funds are that we use as a family. But today we're specifically talking about Christmas or holidays, whatever it is that you want to call that time frame around at the end of the year, right? December. So honestly, like I said, it could seem a little early, but this is really the best time I find to really start looking at what you are going to spend specifically on Christmas for each of the different categories that you're going to spend on. Now, the first thing that I like to do is like to look at what it is that we spend our money on during this holiday season. So as far as gifts go, any decor that you like to get, any activities or special occasions that you have, any holiday parties that you need to plan for, any special giving that you're going to do, and kind of everything in between. So that's a lot of things to think about, but honestly, if you don't plan them ahead of time, especially around now, then you're going to get into the holiday season and realize that you may have allotted money for gifts, but you may not have money for the little decor items that you see that you really want to invest in this season, or for holiday parties at work, or giving and different things that you really want to do that might be important to your family, but you haven't budgeted for those items within your holiday budget. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys not only what our numbers are for our holidays, but also the breakdown and how we plan to allocate the finances that we're going to be putting aside. Now, like I said, it is going to be July here pretty quickly, and we're going to start aggressively saving towards Christmas starting in July. We currently have about $250 saved in our holiday account, which is like a good start and a good kind of like pace setter for us as far as putting money away towards the holidays goes. But that is not nearly enough to fund our holidays and how we would like to fund them ideally. So let's go ahead and take a look at our budget notebook and look at what our plan is for our 2019 holiday budget. Here is our 2019 holiday budget overview. It is in my Erin Condren notebook. This is a section separate from our sinking fund section, which I will be sharing with you guys an update as we go along with our holiday budget. So our savings goal, as you can see, is $2,000 for this holiday season, and how we got to that is with this breakdown that I have here. So the first category we have are gifts. So for hubby and myself, we budget $200. That's $100 for each of us. For Elias, we've also budgeted $200, which feels a little generous, but we'll see kind of as things progress what we actually intend to spend for him. For Kiki, we budgeted $40. For our parents, we have, we're counting 5 parents, so we have $250 for each one. For our siblings, there's 4 of them total, so we're budgeting $200. For our nieces and nephews, there's also 4 of them, so $200 again. For Angel Tree and our giving, this is just, we adopt like not foster kids, we adopt kids from Salvation Army, and then we also just like to kind of do random little giving as well, in addition to our tithe during this holiday season, so we've budgeted $150. I have our coworkers here, and it's blank right now because I haven't really nailed down what we would give them and what their budget would be. So that one's a work in progress. For miscellaneous, we have decor and activities, budgeted $300 for that. Couple holiday date is $150. And then family cards is $155, and we have a breakdown for our cards. So our photo session is $75. The cards themselves, I'm estimating, would be about $40, and then stamps for any cards that we have to mail would be $40 as well. So for decor and activities, this is in the same category just because it really kind of will help to figure out what we want to spend on decor versus activities. And we're probably going to pick like 2 things to do as a family. So that will tell us how much we have left over for that. And then our date, you guys know that we heavily believe in dating, and so we really want to have like a special date in the holiday season, just time with my husband and myself, so we budgeted for that in here as well. After going through our plan for where we're going to be spending money, our breakdown is as follows. So like I mentioned, we have about $250 in the holiday fund at the moment. So our goal is to save $300 every month for the next 6 months, which would be $1,800 at the end, and it would give us a final total of $2,050. So that is a pretty generous budget for us, but it would allow us to accomplish all of the things that we have listed out here. Obviously, there are places that we can cut as need be for depending on where we actually end up, if, things happen along the way that we're not able to make that savings goal, but that is going to be our big goal for Christmas this year. So I hope that's been helpful, and I hope that kind of gives you guys a clear overview of where we are going to be spending our holiday money this coming holiday season. Alright friends, so there you have it. That is our 2019 holiday budget plan. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, definitely let me know in a comment down below what that question is, and I will answer it for you. Be sure to also share with me what your goals are for the holiday season and what your budget, like ballpark, is for your family. I would love to know, and I'd like to just get ideas of what different people spend on the holidays, because it really does vary, and what your plan is for the holidays. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss a single video from me. And if you are subscribed, be sure to hit the bell so that you receive notifications of when I upload. Thanks friends, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day!